हेलो गाइस, वी आर एट एस इंटरनेशनल और आज हमने बनाया है AI जनरेटेड पीसी एंड द प्रोसेसर वी आर यूजिंग इज i7-4700K and as per you can see the cooler we are using here is Natuilas 360 ARGB from Corsair. This is looking super fine and makes your CPU very cool, and the graphic card we are here using is A4000 RTX and from Nvidia graphic card 16 GB VRAM के साथ. This is a AI machine and the customer is using for that, and the RAM is here we are using is 16 GB G-Skill Ripjaws RAM 5200 megahertz, and the SSD we are using here is S70 Blade from XPG. This is a Gen 4 SSD with 74/68 read-and-write speed. There is a 10G card also for NAS and attachment also, and the motherboard here we are using is Jet790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi from MSI. This is a super fine board to for this processor and for AI build. And कैबिनेट की बात करें तो कैबिनेट हमने यूज़ किया है लैंडकूल 207. दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड कैबिनेट फ्रॉम लियानली. You can see the fans here, and there is 2 fans right in the bottom also for cooling this machine. And the power supply here we are using is RM850E from Corsair. This is ATX 3.0 fully modular gold certified power supply. The total build cost is under 2 lakhs. This is a super fine build for AI and machine learning. So do check out our website and link in the bios, and number flashing here also to call us and make your dream PC. Thank you.